Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to use Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro during flights. So first, what you guys want to do is when they tell you to turn on the airplane mode on your phone, then you go into the control center, now click it. As you guys can see, the Bluetooth is not disabled, and that means the headphones are still connected and you can use them. But whenever they tell you to actually turn off any Bluetooth devices for a while, then you better do that, as it can cause a lot of interference with the plane signal. So make sure to do that. It's for around 5 to 10 minutes without the headphones, and after you're airborne and in the air, then you can take them off and use them again, so there are no problems on using the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro during the flight. So as you guys can see now, when they're connected, we can simply disable the Bluetooth until they tell us it's okay to use it back again. Now we can enable it and go here, click on the headphones. Now they are connected, and basically that's how you guys can use them. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. See you next time.